On this channel, I review different trading strategies. I code these strategies and I also complete them with various settings. Each strategy contains advanced options, including multiple stop types, multi-time frame filters, free risk, trailing stops, and more. You can have all of them completely free. Our channel is highly recommended to all traders because I take viral trading strategies from around the world. I will add a lot of features and options to them and make them available for free exclusively to our channel members. The strategies we review in our channel are often some of the most popular strategies on YouTube, and I analyze them, test them, and turn them into practical, ready-to-use, and completely free strategies. You can set alerts and apply other customizations all for free, and test these strategies across various currency pairs and time frames. If you're trading with your personal strategy and you'd like your own strategy to be coded, or you want to create or improve any other indicator or strategy, feel free to contact me on my Telegram. Link to the page related to this free strategy is below the video, and you can just click the link, go to the page, and hit Add to Favorites. This way, the strategy will be added to your list and always accessible. Every week, I release one or two fully automated advanced new strategies. I hope these free strategies help you become a more successful and profitable traders. Now let's dive into the video and let me show you this new strategy in detail. Today, I'm gonna review one of YouTube viral strategies, and I will code and backtest this viral strategy to see how it works. Let's get into the chart and see what are the rules and conditions. This strategy contains 3 indicators, and we need to add these 3 indicators to the chart. The first indicator I'm gonna add is MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence, and the second indicator is whole moving average, known as HMA indicator. We also add this one to the chart. And the last indicator I'm gonna add is called Trend Magic. We add this one to the chart as well. Okay, in Trend Magic, just leave the default settings to stay, and we're not gonna change anything here. And here in Style, we changed this color to green to show bullish and bearish trends in market using these colors in the chart. In HMA settings, we need to change the length from 9 to 100, and let me change the color here to yellow. Okay, and finally the changes in the third indicator settings, I mean MACD. Here in input, we need to change fast length to 18 and slow length to 144. Okay, that's all. These are all the changes we need to make, and also in MACD settings, we don't need MACD and signal here. Okay, now all the indicators are applied to the chart, and let's see what are the entry conditions in this strategy. The first condition is that our Trend Magic should turn from red to green. This is our first signal for entering to a long position. The second condition is that our histogram has to be green at the same time that trend line turns green. And our next condition is that our candles should be above the HMA line, this whole moving average line here. And candles should be closed above this line. And also our Trend Magic needs to be above HMA line. This is our last condition. These 4 conditions should be met, and then we take a long position. The first rule is that Trend Magic should turn into green. The second rule is that histogram must be green. And the third rule is that candle should be closed above HMA line. And the last rule is that the Trend Magic should be above HMA line. Now we can take a long position. This is our confirmation candle, and here at the open of the next candle, we enter to a long position. Our stop is on last recent swing low, and we have 1.5 risk to reward ratio. We are in gold chart and 5 minutes time frame, and you see it hits the target here in the third candle. This is how we take long positions. Now let's see the conditions for short position. For short position, as you know, all the conditions needs to be opposite of the long position. Our trend line should turn red, and at the same time histogram needs to be red as well, and candle should close below the HMA line, and trend magic should be below the HMA line. Okay, these are our rules and conditions for taking a short position. Here we have a confirmation candle, and at the open of the next candle, we enter to a short position. Our stop is on last swing high, and we have a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And here you see it hits the target. Before we see the coded version of this strategy, let me tell you that if you want this strategy that I coded, or you like to use my VIP strategies, or you have your own strategy or any other strategies that you want to be coded, just send me a message in my Telegram and let me know. The link of my Telegram is in description below this video. Alright, let's run the strategy. First of all, you see that the strategy entered to the positions exactly at the same points that we entered, and it follows all the rules. Okay, now we turn off these previous indicators because we don't need them anymore. Now we see the settings of our indicators. As you can see here, we have all these settings, and in this part for trend magic we have these numbers here. And here we have 18 and 144 and 9 for histogram. And we have a HMA filter for HMA line. We have the length of 100. And okay, let's see the results for this strategy. For gold chart in 5 minutes time frame, it has a profitable results, as you can see. But unfortunately, the drawdown is too much and it's not good. But also it has a good and acceptable net profit. So let's see if we can optimize this strategy or not. Let me see what we can do here. For instance, we can turn off this option, trend magic above HMA, and see what happens. Okay, the net profit changed and we still have unacceptable drawdown. Now let's turn off the HMA filter and see what happens. No, the results is not better. Okay, let's make some other changes. For example, we activate trail stop. Unfortunately, it has too much drawdown and also profit is not so good. And let's change our stop loss options and turn it to move stop. Again, we don't have good results here. Unfortunately, this strategy with this setting in this time frame is not good enough. Okay, I'm gonna change the time frame to see the results, if it is going to be better or not. Well, actually, it's a lot better now. You see, in time frame, it has a good and acceptable result. This is the advantage of coding the strategy. You can immediately change the time frame and see the changes. And you see the time frame for this strategy has not profitable results at all. Okay, now let's change time frame to 1 hour and see the results. You see, again, it increased the result and it's profitable in this time frame as well. And it reduced the drawdown and increased profit. You can change the settings and apply different filters here for this strategy. You can have multi-time frame EMA for this strategy and see the results. It doesn't have better results. Okay, turn this off. You can also add multi-time frame MACD. You can use volume filter, and you are able to turn on parabolic SAR or ADX, or you can choose different divergence for different indicators for entering a position to make the strategy more profitable. And in this part, we have alert box that you can set alerts and you can have automatic trades or manual trades. I'm gonna see if I change the gold to cryptocurrency Does it stay profitable or not? Well, you see it has good results here in the chart. Okay, if we choose Dodge, well, you see we have good results, but at the beginning it has some amount of drawdown. Let's see the results for some other currencies. For example, this one, Atom. And you see it has much better results in Atom. If you want this coded strategy, or you want to have my VIP strategies, or you want to code your own strategy or any other strategies that you want to be coded, contact me in my Telegram and let me know. The link of my Telegram is in description below this video. If you like my videos and they are helpful or useful for you, I will be thankful if you hit the like and also subscribe button. Okay, you see this strategy in 1 hour time frame in several currencies that we checked was profitable in all of them, and it's a good strategy. But look in this one, for example, it doesn't have a good result here. Okay, you should try many different currencies to find the best one. Well, this strategy is coded and ready to use. Have a good time!